In class 11 business studies, we are on chapter 2, and in chapter 2 we already completed sole proprietor, Hindu undivided family, and yesterday we completed that partnership, features, merits, demerits. Now our today's topic is types of partners. That is a very new thing for you. See, in common, for common man or for common public, all partners are same. They think they will share the profit, they will share the loss, they will work for each other. But as a commerce student, you should know that there are various types of partnerships, as well as there are various types of partners. It's my duty to explain you. So whenever you will become the partner or whenever you will make a partnership in the future, you should know what types of partnerships are there, what types of partners are there. So children, there are various types of partners. Today I am going to explain you active partner, inactive partner. Okay, so today's topic is types of partners, and the first type, which is normal or common. We can say normal or common, active or working partner. Active partner means the partner who takes part in the day-to-day affairs, and the partner who contributes capital, take part in the day-to-day affairs of the business is known as active or working partner. See, my dear children, there are various types of partners, but the common term is active partner or working partner. Active partner means the partner who will take part in activities, the partner who contributes capital, the partner who is working. So the active or working partner means the normal partner who takes part in the day-to-day affairs of the business, who take part in the activities of the business will known as active partner. Okay, see, generally in the partnership, all other partners are ready to take only active partner or working partner generally, because working partner will share the workload, working partner will contribute the capital. That's why he is active partner. He will take part in the activities of the business, and that's why he will share the profits or loss of the business. Okay, so active partner or working partner is the partner who contributes capital, who takes part in the activities of the business, and who share the profits or losses of the business. Then next is just opposite of it, sleeping or dormant partner. Sleeping or dormant partner, the partner who is sleeping always. No, my dear children. The partner who is not taking active participation. That's why he is known as sleeping partner. Just opposite of active partner. Active partner means the partner who takes part in activities, and sleeping partner means inactive partner, dormant partner who is not taking active participation in the business activities, but he contributes capital. He shares the profits or loss. So now my question is, then why firm takes a sleeping partner? What is the reason behind that? This is the question. And answer is, sleeping partners is required at the time when other partners requires capital. Generally, this partner will come on the condition basis. Guaranteed partner means he says, I will not take active work in your firm. I will give you capital to invest. You can use my capital, but give me share of profit. I'll share the risk also, loss also, but I will not come to work. So active partner means who will work, and inactive, sleeping or dormant partner who will not take part in the activities. Okay, so that is sleeping partner. Then third is secret partner. Secret partner means the partner whose connection with the firm is unknown to the public. He contributes capital. He participates in the workings. He has unlimited liability. He shares the profits or loss. But the public don't know that he is the partner of this firm. Like just now, Akshay Kumar, big film star with one politician, they launch a new game like online game. So afterwards, public came to know that he is the partner in that venture. So secret partner is the partner. He contributes capital. He will share the profits. Has unlimited liability, but his connection with the firm is unknown to the public. Common public don't know about that. Okay, that's why he is secret partner, or we can say confidential partner. The next is nominal partner. Nominal partner means the partner, just opposite of secret. The partner lends his name and reputation for the benefit of the firm. He gives his name. You can use my name. You can use my reputation. You can use my goodwill. Okay, but does not contribute capital. Does not participate in the management activities. No share in profits. If he is not participating in management, he is not contributing capital, he is not sharing profits or loss, then he is liable to the outsiders. Why? That's why I am telling you, you should know what types of partners are there. Someone will cheat you, but liable to outsiders, because outsiders are thinking that he is the partner of this firm because he has given his name, his reputation for the benefit of the firm. He is also known as ostensible partner or quasi partner. This is new term for you. Nominal means the partner who gives his name to the firm to use. Like if my students wants to start a partnership and they told me, ma'am, please, can we use your name? Can we use your reputation? If I allowed them, then I will be nominal partner. I am not contributing capital. I am not taking participate in my students' business. I am not sharing the profits. But if someone gave them loan on my behalf, then I am liable. That's why it is said, always think before giving your name and reputation to the others. The next one is also new for you. Types of partners. Partners by estuple. Estuple. If a person acts as a partner of a firm by his words and conduct, he can be called as partner by estuple. Even though he is not an actual partner, he is liable for the debts of the firm. As he makes himself such a partner, in front of the public. Sometimes, see, sometimes if a film stars giving advertisement of any firm, then people think that he is a partner of that firm. That is wrong. That is not a partner by estoppel. Advertisement is not a partner by estoppel. Partner by estoppel means the partner himself shows, acts that he is a partner. He himself says that I am the partner of this firm. Like just now I am giving you the example. My students are going to make a partnership firm. So I am not a partner in that, but to others, I always pretend, act that I am their partner. They are my partner. I am working in that firm. People believe that ma'am is also a partner in that firm. Because by my words, my behavior, I am showing to the public that I am the partner of this firm. Okay. Then if that partner has taken a loan on my behalf and the public gave loan on my behalf, then I am also liable for that. I am not contributing capital. I am not sharing the profits there, but I am liable because I showed to others. I explained to others by my behavior. Last is partners by holding out. Partners by holding out means a person may be declared as a partner in a firm by the outsiders and does not deny this even after becoming aware of it. He is also liable for the debts of the firm. He is not an actual partner. He is not contributing capital. He is not taking active participation. He is not sharing profits also. Then only the person is declared as a partner in a firm. And outsiders are thinking that he is a partner. And he is also not denying it. I am aware that they are using my name. Public are thinking that they are using my name. I am the partner and I am not deny this. Then I will be liable for the debts. I am not an actual partner, my dear. I am not sharing the profits. I am not contributing the capital. Then also I am liable. Okay. So this is one slide for you which can be useful for you, my dear children. Look at that. Because students told me we have to write, that's why I am giving you in a short, in a summarized way. See who is active partner, who contributes capital, who participates, who share profits, whose liability is unlimited. Who is sleeping partner? See the differentiate form. It takes me a lot of time to make these slides. Sleeping partner contributes capital, share the profits and losses, have unlimited liability, but the main difference, does not participate in management. Yes, if you want to note down, yes, you can. Secret partner contributes capital, participate in management, share profits and loss, liability is unlimited, but is not showing to outsiders. So in my opinion, active partner and secret partner are near about similar, but secret partner wants it as confidential and as secret. It doesn't want to show to others. Than nominal partner, just opposite of secret partner, does not contribute capital, does not participate in management, does not share profits or loss, have unlimited liability. Nominal capital not invested, active participation is not there, does not share profits, generally unlimited. Generally means if other partners are ready to give him share, they can. Partner by estoppel, does not contribute capital, does not participate in management, does not share in profits, and unlimited liability. Because he himself pretending, showing to others that I am the partner. If you are saying to others, others can believe. That's why there is your unlimited liability. Now, partners by holding out, does not contribute capital, does not participate in management, does not share profits and loss, unlimited. So partner by estoppel and partners by holding out, near about same. Okay. As I told you, active partner and secret partners are near about same. Same estoppel and holding out are same. But there is a basic major difference in them. See? Okay? Note it down. This table is useful for you to learn. See how to learn. Unlimited all. Share and profits and loss by 3. First 3, then last. Contributes capital by first 3, not by last 3. It's easy for you. I made it for you only how to learn, because there is differences. Very thin line is there for difference, but I am sure you must understood by this table. So today we completed types of partners. See, I am showing you types of partner. First is active partner, like Superman. He contributes capital, he takes parts, he share the profits. He has unlimited liability as well. Then just opposite. Sleeping, relax, dormant partner, no active role in the business, don't contributes capital, share profits, unlimited liability, but don't take part. Don't work. Secret partner. His connection with the firm is unknown to the public. He also wants to keep as secret confidential. He is not contributing capital. He is contributing capital. He is participating in management, unlimited liability. But generally he says, please don't show to others. Nominal partner lands his name, reputation for the benefit of the firm. I gave you the example, like my students are making a firm and they told me, ma'am, can we use your name? If I allowed them, I am not contributing capital, I am not participating, I am not taking any benefit, but I am liable, unlimited liability. Then partner by estoppel. See the slide, then you will be able to understand. A partner is showing with his behavior, with his conduct, with his words that I am their partner. Like if I can say you, I am the partner of Mukesh Ambani, and you believe on that, then this is partner by estoppel. Okay. Generally, no one wants to do that. Then partners by holding out. A person declared as a partner by the firm, but he is not a partner. He is not sharing any capital. He is not contributing capital. He is not taking participate. But his liability is unlimited. I am sure you must understood this table. So my dear children, today we completed types of partners, and in types of partner I explained you active partner, sleeping partner, nominal partner, partner by estoppel, partner by holding out, okay, secret partner. I am sure you must understand.